plan B. Okay, bibisita kami sa Valenzuela, Philippines soon. Skincare, Garnier. Garnier is my soap. Facial. Oh, ayan. Screenshot nyo yan. This is really nice. Screenshot nyo na. Bilisan nyo na. Ang soft-spoken. Ako soft-spoken? Oh, girl, no. I'm anything but soft-spoken. I am such a loud person. I'm never so soft-spoken. I'm really loud. I'm so sorry. You guys better be aware. Bestie X, naalala ko siya sa'yo. Ano yan, Sir Jeff? What's that? Best friend mo to saging ex mo. Ba't mo kasi ginawa yung best friend mo? Ito guys, lesson learned. Wag mag-jowa ng best friend. Delikado. Thank you. Bakit? Anong naaalala mo, sir? Chismis, please! We need tea! Ay, hindi na ako makakatulog nito. Sinabi mo yan. How old are you? I'm old enough. Old enough to be surviving in this world. Old enough to be paying bills. Yes, risky pero sobrang bait niya kasi at ganun talaga yan, Sir Jeff. Bait-bait yan. At maraming buong kwento. Siyempre, mabait yan. O, pakialam mo, Zing, kung di ako sikat, ba't ka nandito? Ay, sorry nga. Ba't ka nanood? Although she's younger than me, maraming tanong, mature siya mag-isip. Oh, ano nangyari? What happened? Why it did not work out? Guys, I'm set up on a friend, bro. I'm for the time. I feel about the between my feet. I was moving. Summer free. Oh, I love Elvis. Guys, alam mo yung yung bata, yung anak nila yung anak ng Incredible. Tsaka si Elvis. Yung legs. Wow, ang pogi ko. Yo, the narcissist in me. Ew. She's so freaking feeling on. Tingnan nyo guys, ang gwapo ko kung lalaki ako. Ay, sorry, ang feeling. Gwapo kung lalaki ako. Hi, babe. Ew. Guys, you just witnessed a narcissist person. Ew. Guwapo daw. Yuck. Hi, love. Ano yun? Elvis tayo muna. Oh, baby. Yee! Wag na nga. Nakakadiri na. Si Roberto. Hindi yan si Roberto. Si Miguelito yun. But I'm still happy now. We're still in good terms. And nagdadamayan kami. Alam mo, Sir Jeff, magkakabalikan kayo. For sure. If you're still on good terms, magkakabalikan kayo. Mga feelings, magbabalik. sisilip yan ulit. Totoo yun. Pag di kayo in good terms, di na talaga makakabalikan. Pero in good terms kayo, magkakabalikan kayo. I don't wanna be rich. You don't have to be rich to be my lover. You don't have to be. Only time can tell. Sir Jeff, mahal mo pa eh. Ay. I know that. Thank you, Jay. Tanggol ka dyan, Jay. You don't have to be rich to be my lover. Don't have to be cool to rule my world. All I want to and your kiss. I forgot the title. Ngayon ko nga, pilitin mo ako. Okay, I found it. Oh my goodness. Ito talaga itong mosquito killer talaga namin. Itong electric mosquito killer namin is not. Uy, sana nga kamukha ako. Pogi nun eh. Ako lang to, guys. Pag na-ponder talaga ako ni auntie, huwag yun na lang sabihin. Kagwat si Gajon, dako ang lubot, dako po ng uwo. Huwag kayo muniwala sa akin, sira ulo ako, guys. Baka marinig ko sa uncle dyan. Nagulat si ate Anse. Nung nandito sila, biglang tumunog yung ang tawag ito? Yung, I forgot the CCTV. Sabi ko sa inyo, bahay ni uncle to eh. It's an experience. Pag may bahay ni kuya, may bahay ni uncle. May kami CCTV kami, kayo. Wala kayo, may CCTV sa loob ng bahay. Malapit na mag 11-11. Advance ko yung tanong, anong 26 resolution mo? 2026 resolution ko, magpakatao. Yun lang. It's such a small world and it's so cliche. But it has a deep meaning. Magpakatao. Be human. To feel, to care, to have empathy. Nandyan na lahat. It's such a small world, but has a small word, but it has deep meaning, and it has a lot of depth. Short word, but a lot of depth. Thank you! This guy has no chill. Bro. Thank you, bro. You don't have to be rich to be my lover. Don't have to be cool. What song is that? To rule my world. I don't know. I just remember that. I don't know where I think it's from my lolo, but I don't know when. But I know the song. What title it is? That's the question. Your kiss. I don't think it's an Elvis Presley. You know why I like Levi's? Because pag i-mix mo yung name ng Levi's, it becomes Elvis. I have my I have my jacket. I think it's nasa baba. It's not here. It's my, I love Elvis here. That's why I love Levi's, because I love Elvis. It's not here, it's nasa baba. I love Elvis Presley. You know what? Songs talaga from the 90s are the greatest. Like, the old songs are the greatest. K-drama, Reco.
wala akong feeling ko na, alam nyo na, mas may alam pa nga kayo sa akin. Pero, Reco ko talaga, all-time favorite ko is, my all-time favorite K-drama talaga is Strong Woman Do Bong-soon. Dubongso na! Ay ko, ay ko. Oh, I just, Ati, Alora recommend me that. Strong Woman Do Bong-soon. I think there's a prequel of that. And parang feeling ko, parang descendant din ng kalumunan kibali ni parang descendant sa ancestry ni Do Bong-soon. Tapos, Namsoon naman yun, Namsoon. Yung Strong Woman. Sequel pala, hindi pala prequel. Sorry. I stand corrected. Thank you for correcting me. Wa na ko kita nimo sa TV. Alanganday, dili ko perminti na sa TV, dagay artista. Anong na-learn ko? Na-learn ko yung pakikisama kasi iba din yung characters din ng mga kasama ko doon. Na-learn ko paano mag-adjust sa iba. Pero you know what? What I really learned this year and last year, talagang masasabi ko na, hala, ang taas pala ng pasensya ko. Kasi di pa ako nag-snap. One time lang ako nag-snap. All of my, one time lang ako nakapag-snap ako 2022. That was my first time. And last, hindi pa ako nakapag-snap ulit. Gabi ang lala nun. As in, hagulhul ako nag-snap. Wild talaga ako, guys. As in, alam mo yung, sino nakaranas dito na parang feeling mo babagsak na lahat. Tapos nag-wild ka. Tapos iyak talaga ako, as in. Parang hindi mo ko mapapatahan. Ganyan talaga ako, as in. Kailangan talaga na, once you have a good cry, tinatawanan ko na lang ngayon kasi I already had a good cry. Once you had a good cry, everything's gonna be alright. I think it's normal. Kaya pala sinasabi yung tears are healing water. And I think it's true. Tears are healing water. You need to accept that you are flawed. You know, this is the problem of everyone because not all, but all of us are in denial. We are all in denial na we are all flawed. We need to accept that we are flawed. We're not perfect. We need to accept it. Because if we're not perfect, then there is no judgment, there is no insecurity. Because everybody has flaws. We are not perfect at all. We do mistakes. Some people are talented at some point. Some people are good at some point, but hindi kasi sa lahat magaling sila. Ako din, hindi na magaling sa lahat. Kaya nga nag-aaral tayo eh. And you know what, to cope up with that, to shorten the gap, like to closen the gap, we need to learn. We don't have to be stagnant. That's why we learn. Rian, I am not, but thank you. You're so wise. I am not wise at all. I just learn from the people that ni Kuya Rivers sa 4Bad Boy. Oh my God! Ang galing ni Kuya Rivers. Tapos, hindi ko talaga in-expect si Kuya River to be so funny. In-expect ko siya to be so serious, but he's not serious. He's so funny. Like, alam mo yung yung nakakatawang kasi they're Englishera eh. Old soul kaya. I am an old soul. Kasi Englishera sila. So, nakakatawa yung may kasi guys, hindi ko alam. May mga konyo na nakakatawa. May mga konyo din na nakakairita. So, siya yung konyo na nakakatawa. May mga konyo kung di ko gusto. Kasi, syempre, di ko sasabi sa kanila, di ko sila gusto. Pero pakikisamahan ko sila. Di ko gusto yung pagkakonyo nila. Pero wala na akong magagawa eh. Sila na yun eh. Ako, di maarte. Maarte din ako. Siyempre, magiging arte din ako kasi gusto ko din mag-arte. May mga moments na ako maarte ako. Hindi ako like, di maarte. Pero di ako mapili. Di ako mapili. Pero, di ako maarte. Pero maarte din ako at the same time. Gets? Hi, Sheila. I am doing well by God's loving grace. I am doing well. Thank you so much. With the help of prayers, I'll be definitely more fine and more good. Because I feel like God is like shielding me. Even right now, I feel like He's shielding me all the time. I really do feel God's presence. Especially sa mga, like, sa mga bagay na talagang pinaglalaban ko. But then when I saw the like, the results, like, I really say na, thank you, Lord. Thank you talaga. Shout out kay Teacher Zion from Jensen. Congratulations, Ame! Kakatapos ko lang mag-take ng boarding. Hoy, congratulations! Same kami ni The Boy. Prayer na lang natin. Prayer natin na makapasa by God's will, in His loving grace. At kung hindi man, it's okay. Sige, try lang, try. Kung kabubuto ng Ginoo, surrender na to tanan sa Ija. What's that song? Who sang it? Sure, I have a pimple right now. Like, here. I think buhay sila. Guys, hindi talaga ako ganito kakinis. Ang daya talaga ng TikTok. Hoy, TikTok, umayos ka. Kahit saan lang ako nag-church, guys, wala talaga akong like main church na laging pinupuntahan. As long as maka-serve kay God. At saka hindi naman yung church naman yung magsisave sa atin. Yung faith natin magsisave sa atin. At saka, your relationship is not your church. Your relationship is with God. So prayer yung pinaka-church mo. Your heart is your temple. Your heart and your faith is your temple. Tuthapi. Tupahi. Tutapi. Tuthapi. That's good for you. No, lagi. I cannot speak lagi Bisaya lagi. Kasi once when I speak Tagalog, wala na, mabubulol na ako. Tsaka titigas na Tagalog ko. We are the church. Exactly. Our heart is our temple. Our heart is our church. Exactly. You're right. Yeah, marunong na ako mag-drive ng car. License na lang. Yes, serum. Minix ko yung yung Bifina tsaka yung serum ko sa nalasahan ko, sorry. Paet? Nalasahan ko. Nakain ko eh. Bifina serum and vitamin C serum ng Faces and Curves. I mixed it up. It's so effective, guys. Like, guys, buy Jude Bifina. It's so effective. Hindi ko kasi alam kung available ba kung may ano ba yung yung Faces and Curves. Pero i-follow nyo yung Faces and Curves and mag-message kayo, ask nyo kung may vitamin C serum sila. Kasi yung vitamin C serum nila, gaganda talaga balat mo. I promise you. Garnier sa soap. Garnier. Tapos this is my serum. And this is my Derma Clear. This is for the dark spots. Faces and Curves. So good. So effective. Ay, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Cannot! That's so far. Like, there's already near na church amin. Pero kasi when I'm outside din, wherever na I find close na church, pumupunta ako doon. Sinong bias mo sa PBB now? I cannot tell. Because I did not watch fully. Pag nasubaybayan ko, for sure, may bias ako. But all of the kids are doing well. In all fairness. They're so smart. See, tignan nyo guys kung gaano katalino yung mga kabataan ngayon. Kaya tayo yung nakakatanda, we need to really be careful kasi kung ano din yung nakikita nila, yun yung gagawin nila. Kids right now, learn from what they see, what they hear, and what surrounds them. So we need to be careful. Who's that? No, I do not know him. Anong pampapayat mo? Maggutom. Pagutom ka, be. Bitaw, nag-aano kasi ako, nagpa-fasting ako, 4 days fasting. In a month. Kasi, importante din na mag-reset din yung natin, guts. Kailangan malinis din yung guts natin. Hindi pa ito nga yung nakakatakot kasi walang nangyayari. As in, sobrang tahimik ngayon. Tingnan nyo. Walang sasakyan. Hindi nag-ingay yung mga yung mga aso. Usually, maingay to na mga oras na ito. Hindi sila nag-iingay. Yes, calorie count is important. And it's important to know what are you eating. Kasi may iba na small lang yung amount pero sobrang laki yung calorie. Kaya yung ginagawa ko, puro ako naggulay talaga ako, especially nagka-carrots ako lagi, tsaka nag-cucumber, tsaka nagsasalad, tapos protein. Sometimes may carbs ako, pero ngayon hindi ko ginagawa, pero dati ang carbs ko is sweet potato. So, yun yung ko. Dati hindi ko siya gusto, pero nagustuhan ko siya eventually. Tsaka may mga gulay na hindi ko nagustuhan nung bata ako. Pero iba pala, nag-change pala yung palate ng person. I don't like okra, personally. I don't like cook okra. But, when I got older, nagustuhan ko na yung nilagang okra. Dati ayoko ng luto. Gusto ko lang ng hilaw. Ang sarap ng hilaw na okra. Especially yung baby okra pa. Tapos duna mo sa asin. Ang sarap. Pero nung tumanda ako, nagustuhan ko na suka, toyo, with okra. Like, Buti na lang you don't eat peanuts. Yes, because I'll die. Tapos, may times na kumakain ako ng peanuts. Tapos, para maano na. Kasi sabi daw ni mami na kapag laging mong kinakain din, eventually mawawala siya kasi masasanay yung katawan mo. So, nakaano yung antihistamine, nakatabi ko lang. Nakatabi ko lang once nag-eat ako. Yes, yung pinakamalala ko sa peanut is lumaki yung mukha ko, nag-puff. Tapos naghirap guminhawa. Tapos hindi lang yan, pag nag-eat ako ng peanuts, diarrhea ako. Diarrhea ba is one of the like symptoms of allergic ka? Kahit sobrang liit lang yan, diarrhea ako. Paunti-unti lang. Hindi ko alam kung one of the symptoms yun, pero nagda-diarrhea ako ng malala, as in. Tapos sobra talaga, as in, before then, yun yung pinakamalala ko na nag-diarrhea ako for 2 weeks. Tapos yung last kong kinain is peanuts. Tapos dun ako lang, tapos inano sa akin na, kinonfirm na allergic ako sa peanuts. Mami Asel, I miss you. Buti na lang, ano ka na. Nakahabol. Pero hindi yun nangyayari sa ibang nuts. Nagre-react yung katawan ko sa peanuts. Yung malala lang yung hindi ako maka-breathe, tsaka nag-puff yung mukha ko. As in, super scary. Like, kumanon talaga so dito. Parang nanghubag ito, lumaki to. So, dun na allergic pala ako. Wala naman eh. Kasi di ako allergic sa seafood. Wala akong allergic sa ibang nuts. I eat other nuts. I eat peanut, almonds, not peanut na nun, almonds, cashew, pistachio. I eat those, but wala. Pile, I eat pile, but no, it doesn't happen the way it happens with peanuts. Ako din. Wala ako sa Siargao, be. Nasa Manila ako. Work si Ates mo. Allergic ka sa Cold Spring? Ako hindi ko lang matolerate ng katawan ko ang katawan ko ang cold. Kasi once na nasa cold ako, kahit alam mo yung yung aircon na naka like 18 degrees, nagko-cold. Ang tawag yung parang talipasu sa cold. Ang tawag nun? Di ba may tawag nun yung parang siyang burnt. Kabukado niya herpes, pero hindi siya herpes. Cold sores yan. Nagko-cold sores ako kahit hindi naman gaano kalakas. Sobrang sensitive ko sa cold. Tapos ito talaga nagnanumb. Tsaka nagpo-purple yung tips ko. Hindi talaga maano yung katawan ko sa malamig. Hindi ako mabubuhay sa ibang bansa na malamig. Mabubuhay ako around Italy, around Greece, but I'm never ever gonna survive around Netherlands, the North Pole, chares. North and South Pole, the cold spots. I'm never gonna. Bawal sa AFAM. Kaya nga sa mga Italiano tayo. Ay! Bayan! Oh, red. I get shy. I turn red. See guys, how putla me is. Maayo, namita mo dalampasigan. Sinong Italian crush mo, G? Secret. Di ko nga sasabihin kasi makakrush na naman ninyo. Ayoko nga may kaagaw ako, diba? Wait, I'm just gonna on lang the aircon na. Because it's getting hotter na. Agay. Tapos yung aircon ko, naka-fan mode lang yan. Kaya siya maingay. Kasi matanda na yung aircon namin. Baka sabihin nyo, naka-panty lang ako, naka-shorts ako ha. Mukha lang panty. Pero naka-shorts ako. Ang sarap. Hindi ako pwede sa Ako din, hindi ako pwede sa Switzerland. Mamamatay ako doon. Ang lamig doon. Shout out to you, love. The ship corner. Yung half Italian ata crush mo. Sino half Italian? Sino yan? Ikaw, be. Si Yossi parang, alam mo, siguro kamukha mo yung profile picture mo na dilulo. Nagdilulo talaga ng ganun. Dilulo? Sino ko Italiano? I'm originally from Siargao, born and raised. Hello, Paradox. Hello, MJ from Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. It's my nephew, haha. Ba't ginamit mo yung mukha ng nephew mo? Umayos ka dyan. Gamitin mo mukha mo. Ito, pinaglalaruan mo yung nephew mo. Nagbuka tuloy, dilulo. May lahi? Oo. Lahi ng mga panis. Boom, panis. Si Chichiryo, iba din amats nito. Whistle daw. Mag-whistle ka nga. Shout out kay Raish. Ay, Gabi, si masaya ka ba? Bahala ka na masaya kung saan ka masaya. Sus, niwala ka naman. To si Tita Kon. Kung paniwala yan. Sa Italian lang kakalimbang. I miss that word. Ala, bakit bawal? Hala, si Jello kung nanonood. Jello kung nanonood ka, press invite. Invite nga, ala. Sus! Di ingon na sumbagon ko sila ron. Ay, sorry. Hoy, bastos inin si... It's Shaya. Sige, picture kita. Pag makauli ako. Skin check. Last na ng serum. I love the serum. It makes me feel beautiful. Kaya nga, alam mo kayo, may purpose talaga yung mga beauty products kasi nakakadilulo din sila na maganda ka. Ang sarap kaya magdilulo. Hello kay Ase from Mandawi, Cebu. I hope you guys are doing well. At saka, I am praying for you guys. At saka, tip lang for everybody na hindi pa naka-experience ng bagyo, be alert at huwag magkumpiyansa. Pag nagkumpiyansa ka, that's dangerous. Sige, Paradox, sinumduman ko daon. I'll remember that. Oh, this is not good. Whew, that was close. Bala ka dira. Where are you from, Angie? I'm from Siargao. I'm originally from Siargao, guys. Oh, it's so good. Shout out to AJ. Galigaw. Hey! Pala ka din on. Angie, I am gay pero crush kita. Edi crush na din kita. I get attracted to gay people. They're incredibly handsome, but I am not their type. This is so funny because you know what? I always got a crush with like people na are gay. And then I feel like that's my destiny. Sabi ko kay Carjen, Car, kung di pa ka makaminjo, kitarakan. Like my gay best friend, I told him na hindi ka pa hindi ka makapag-settle at di pa ako makapag-settle. When we're 40, tayo na lang. Yuck! I'd rather. Really? Napanood mo? Gwapo talaga yan siya. Pogi. Ganda ng muka. I'd rather. So skinning. It's so... Pero hindi ganito ka so shiny face ko. Ayan na yan. Yan yung totoong mukha ko, guys. So... Isa pa nga. Si ate ko. Last na to. Isa na lang. Isa, tapos dito din isa. Hindi ko yan makakalimutan, Paradox. Sabihin mo lang, Paradox, matatandaan kita. Ugh. Sobra. As in, sobrang maiiyak ka, mami. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan si Jello ngayon. Tanungin nyo kay Jello. Ba't ako yung tinatanong nyo? Hoy! Yeah. Okay, I'm done now. Skin check! Kasi kakarab ko yan. Pero ganyan, mapulahin ako, guys. Mabilis akong mapula. Pag ganonin mo, pulayan na. Back. See, pupulayan agad. Pulahin ako. Kasi nga, I'm Russian, I'm European. It's natural for me to turn red. I always turn red. Even if naliligo ako sa dagat, hindi ako nangingitim. I just turn red. Like, my face turn red. Because I'm pale. I'm super pale. See, this is my lips. Hindi na to pupula. Pupula lang to pag i-rub ko. But, ayan. Apay jud ko. Like, ay! Poo! Libakon na to ang iba na viewers. Libakon na to ang bashers. I don't know when. I'm just gonna wait kung when, but the song is really good. Shout out kay Sab. I need to wear this to at least have color in my lips. Kung kailan i-release yung movie, natural. Yes, naka-work ko siya sa For Bad Boys and Me. Siya si Kuya Tandang Charles. Okay. I'm settled in. Pero alas 12 na naaantok na ako. Baby time zone. Oh, my eyes are so light right now. I don't know what's happening. old are you, Mantuod? I'm old enough to know what's right and wrong, and old enough to do what's good, to choose the right thing to do. Okay. I think I need to go to sleep, and you guys need to go to sleep too. And be alert, okay? Huwag magpakumpiyansa kasi delikado. The best, Siargao, makabuslot lamang bulsa. Buslot jud mo bulsa. I need tana mag-raise ko na tana ang mga koan, ang mga locals na ay discount. Kasi everything is expensive. Luoy kaayo ang mga locals kasi they have to buy something like not twice but thrice the expenses we gasto here. So it's unfair for them, and ayun, I think we need to do something with that. Okay guys, bye-bye now. It's a bye-bye. Hoy guys, may nag-invite na si Juan Sebastian. Panoorin niyo siya guys, nakahubad siya. Yike! Good night, bye-bye guys. Kung gusto niyo yung mga ganyan, go. I'm leaving you all. God bless. I love you, Mami Asel. Thank you kay Ate Ans, kay Tita Con for antong ito? Moderating. Thank you everyone for talking to me, and thank you for like listening to my yaps. And it's fun talking to you guys. I miss you guys. Angie, good luck. Good luck sa imo thesis. Not good luck. I don't believe in that. Break a leg. And at the same time, God bless you. God bless you guys. I love you guys so much, Sunshine. Sa mga aces na nanonood, sa mga angels. Hoy, magpaka-angel talaga kayo ha. Panindigan nyo yan. Kayo yung nagpangalan sa sarili nyo dyan. To the Sunshines. Panindigan nyo din na Sunshines, hindi Columbus Cloud. Hindi Columbus Cloud, hindi thunderstorm, kundi sunshines. Umayos kayo, magpaka-sunshines kayo. That's a responsibility, ha? And ayun, I love you guys so much. Always, always, always choose love above everything else. And ayun, hindi sunburn, hindi sunburn talaga. Sunshines at hindi eyesore, sore eyes. Kasi ang sunshine masarap tingnan. Wag kayo maging sore eyes. God forbid. But ayun, I love you guys. You take care. I love you so much. I love you so much. Bye. Take care. I love you guys so much. Always, always remember not to be alert, wag magkumpiyansa, and make sure to have an emergency bag. I'm all praying for you guys. You're always in my prayer. Bye-bye! Thank you, Lord, for today. Thank you for the people with me. Before the day ends, sige, let's name some 3 things that you're grateful for. Thank you, Lord, for today because I get to work with my closest friends. And